What's going on? My name is David, and in this video, we're doing a case study of a home service professional, what you guys can do to help improve your website. So whether it's kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, or in this case, tile installation, here's what you can do. Here are some pointers that we're going to take from this website so that you can actually improve your website. So right off the bat, one good thing that they're doing on this website is that they have 3 ways just on the homepage as soon as you hit the website that you can reach out to the business. They have a link here, schedule installation now. You click this, it takes you to their contact page. You can fill out a form. You can show which services that you want, and then you can reach out to this business. If you go back to the homepage, maybe somebody doesn't click this. There's yet another opportunity. Call now. Now you can actually give the business a phone call. Maybe you don't have time to, the customer doesn't have time to fill out a form, they can call them. But if that doesn't work, then look, prefer email, email us now. And again, another way for them to reach out to this business. So one thing that I would recommend as a home service professional or a tile installer is make it as easy as possible for people to reach out to you. Now, you notice here that when you clicked email, it actually didn't take them to an email link. But of course, feel free to add a link to go directly to your email. Once again, if the customer doesn't have time to fill out the form, maybe a link directly to your email, but make it very easy. You see here, they have phone, they have the form. Make it easy as possible. You, of course, need to add at least one call to action here. This button here is called a call to action. So if you add this to your homepage, you're making it as easy as possible for potential customers to reach out. And then if you like, you can also add one to your menu here, like they have it here. So that's very good that you as a home service professional or a tile installer can do. One also thing that you want to notice here is that they have a page for each of their services. So you notice here that on their services page, they have gallery items showing the different services that they offer, tile installation, bathroom installation, tile backsplash, floor removal, and concrete leveling. And they have a page for each one with clear images. This is also very important. Clear images of your service and multiple images, if possible, showing what you can do, what you have done, and what you can do for that potential customer. One also thing that you want to keep in mind is locations. Most times, if you're a home service professional, if you're a tile installer, you're not most likely staying in your city. You might service other cities in your county, maybe even multiple counties. You notice here that this company actually took the liberty of mentioning all the different cities that they provide. And if you live in this area, you know that this is a lot of people here. Between the Winter Park, the Orlando area, it's a lot of people. So for each location that they service, they have a page for that location. And this is also very helpful for your SEO because now if somebody types in Winter Park tile installation on Google, guess what's going to come up? They have a page directly for this. You notice here, if you do this and you do a search for Winter Park on this page, that keyword comes up 20 times. So this is helping to increase the amount of times that somebody can come to this page. Again, if you look here, look at them, then they have the same thing for Orlando. A whole page just for the city. So what I'll recommend to do is for each city that you want to target, make a location page for that city. Each city that you want to target for your services as a home service professional, make a page for that city and then mention here, just like what they mentioned, some of the services that you offer and how you can help people. So here's what just some of the things that as a tile installer, as a home service professional, that you want to keep in mind. And we're going to review it again. So first is making it as easy as possible for people to reach out to you, adding a link for people to reach out to you on your menu and somewhere on your homepage, making it as easy as possible for people to see what your services are, how you can help people, as well as adding clear and multiple images of your service, whether it's past projects or services that you're currently providing. And of course, adding the different locations of who you service with multiple location pages to increase the amount of time that you show up on Google. So that way, the end result is you can get more phone calls coming in. So I hope this video was helpful. If you're looking to actually make some of these changes, feel free to reach out and we can discuss how we can make some of these changes and how we can help you out. But if you're a tile installer, if you're a home service professional, I hope this video was able to show you some of the things that you can do to help improve your website and help increase sales.